he handsome? He's
Yes,
such
he is a handsome
young,
man. He's a handsome young man, man. Get big up, big up.
You just got served, dog.
Crystal clear. Look at that. Collard greens and the sweet potatoes, man. Check.
Vonda's Kitchen, and I am a chef and a caterer. I love that part of it. Okay. And so, yes, we've actually been here 16 years, and I'm very proud of that. And we have a wonderful community that supports us. So we're here today, and we had some wonderful customers come in. There's the Uber guy right there. Come on in. So this is the Uber guy. These guys are amazing for our business. They actually take so much food out, and we're just really proud of them. Nice. So I just wanted to recognize.
That's Uber
I appreciate
Eats.
You so much.
Man.
Isn't he handsome? He's such a handsome
young
man.
He's a handsome young man, man. Big up, big up.
Skin like gold. So at Vonda's Kitchen, like I said, we've been here for a while.
Where's here?
Newark, New Jersey. By the way, we're at 183 West Kinney Street in Newark, New Jersey. And we also have a wonderful catering arm to this business. And we are fortunate enough to work with companies like, Newark Museum, New Jersey PAC, so forth, most of the universities here and all of that. So that supports us. And we just get a lot of love, and I appreciate it so greatly.
Okay, now last question about your menu. Tell us about your menu.
Well, I am a soulful cooker, if you will, and so definitely have all the makings of the fried chicken, mac and cheese, but we also have a lot of healthy things like baked chicken and salmon omelets, things that I love. Okay. And we do turkey wings and oxtails. As just as any other soul food place, but we also do specials, which we want to provide a healthy option every single day in some way. So,
what should we try today?
Today, I would suggest for you. You've never had our salmon omelet, and I think it's amazing. Yes, I think you should have that today.
Not the catfish.
You always want catfish. Catfish is always well.
Salmon omelet. Oh, I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do what you say. I'm gonna do the salmon omelet.
I'm trying to tell you, it's a beautiful dish, and a lot of people buy them. So
look, you ain't gonna listen.
This is my bra.
Listen, Vonda trying to be nice, y'all. This food is delicious. Like, what they say, this that slap your mama type food. That's what it is. Like, I ain't here for no reason. Get off me, lady. I want to go eat. Get off me, lady.
Oh my God, fine.
Listen, y'all. Listen. Seriously though, if you're looking for some delicious food, this is where you can get it at, y'all. Like, everything that you eat out of here will be delicious, man. I've been coming here for years, and I'm happy when I find Vonda catering events. I'm about to get some of her free food.
Yes.
Man, on top of slap your mama good, it's gonna be free. So y'all better attend some of these events around the city too. Peace out.
Yo, I can concur. Anytime I go to an event and Vonda is the caterer, yo, look, them lamb chops, those lollipop lamb chops that she made one time at the Hain building. Let's go in here and see what's going on with this salmon omelet. Look, y'all, Raymond got the catfish, the collard greens, and the sweet potatoes, man. He is crazy, man. What is that other brown, that little square block? What's that square block over there? Cornbread. What? This is so cornbread, Earl and me.
You can't get my cornbread. You ain't get my cornbread.
He said, you ain't get my cornbread. Why he had to put that accent on it? Was that a southern slave accent?
Listen, that was from the movie Life right there. Y'all remember that, yeah.
Oh, Life, Eddie Murphy.
You ain't getting my cornbread.
You ain't getting my cornbread.
All right. You going here first. Collard greens first.
You're going for the collards first.
Ooh. Smoking. Man, The balance of flavor, right amount of vinegar on it, so you can really taste that like your grandmother's like essence on it. You can smell the sweet coming off of these sweet potatoes.
So you smell the sweet.
Look at that. They know what they're doing, y'all. Like, you don't see a lot of cinnamon and all that seasoning on top, but it's inside of it.
Come back, Raymond, come back.
I'm saying, you get the instant itis, dog. I'm telling you. Oh, shit.
Yo, he was nodding on those sweet potatoes, y'all.
Man, that's good, bro.
But he wasn't sleeping on them, though. He might have been nodding on them, but he wasn't sleeping. Sweet potatoes are bomb.
Listen, it's cooked so perfectly, like, you don't really have to chew it. It just kind of melts down your neck. Delicious. But here's the thing, guys. We gotta go finger food on this. You see that?
That's that catfish. That catfish look good too.
Oh, I'm supposed to be saying something, y'all? My bad. I got caught up. This is so delicious. Like, you get the hot sauce and you get the tartar sauce, but you don't even need it. That's just accents to it. But this thing stands on its own.
I can't wait till my salmon get here. I'm about to eat Raymond, y'all.
Hey,
All right, y'all. oh, look at this, y'all. Oh, my goodness.
you just got served, dog.
Raymond said I just got served. Oh, my goodness. Thank you very much.
You're welcome to that table.
What is that? Raymond trying to put his fork in it, y'all. Y'all see that? Oh, my. Joe, just smelling this.
Yo, man,
Smells absolutely delicious, man. Oh, wow. You want you a piece? Go ahead, man. Break you a piece off.
There you go back.
Thank you very much, Vonda. Go ahead, man. Break it with my fork, though, man. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead, break your piece. Raymond gonna get him a piece. We done took his microphone, y'all, but... Ooh, look, don't get on my cheese, man. That look like cheese right
I'm
there.
just trying to get a piece of that salmon up in there, too, man.
Trying to get that salmon in there. Look, y'all, I'm not gonna put nothing on it yet.
I'm losing it, man. I ain't getting it.
Come on, man. You losing it. There you go.
And the potatoes, too.
Don't you hate when somebody be digging in your food and they take 10 hours to do it? Yo, that's my food right there, y'all.
I didn't get the potato.
Look, he just stole a potato too, y'all. Because I didn't tell him he could have my potatoes. Look, he's dancing. Look, his feet is popping. Hold on. What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV. We're here at Vonda's on West Kenny Street, man. There's the address right there in case some of y'all be like, where's the address? It's right there. We're going to mention the address a couple times. Vonda is known in this community, man, for her soul food. And y'all saw the plate, man. I'm going to try to hold it up. Look at this, man. Look at that. Isn't that cool? I got the salmon omelet, man, with the potatoes. It look like some country style fried potatoes with some, it got some red onions on it, some green peppers, man. And I see this cheese. What that Parmesan cheese, man. Look at this, y'all. Look at that. See that smoke and that steam coming off? And I'm trying to hold it up, y'all. I don't want to drop my plate. Let's check it out. First, I'm going for the potatoes. Even, I'm telling you, even the potatoes, y'all. The potatoes taste like those fried potatoes that be on the Italian hot dog, but with a little more seasoning. I definitely like the Jimmy Buff potatoes in the what's the other one called up on Boonfield? I had to throw a little ketchup on those potatoes, y'all. Let's check it out. Those potatoes are the bomb. I see, like, look at this. Is that spinach in those greens? Is the green spinach? Uh-oh, look, I was about to drop some. I'm gonna cut a piece of the omelet. Raymond done had my omelet already, man. Now he packing up leaving. He done ate most of it. I'm I'm gonna cut this a certain couple ways, man. It's really, I should hold my plate up so y'all can see it, right? This is kind of, I want to get that. I got a little piece of salmon on it. It's real steamy, y'all. I don't want to get burned. I gotta blow it off. You know what? That really has a lot of flavors going on right now. I taste that salmon, I taste the eggs, and there's something in here, man, that's giving it. It's the cheese, I guess. I start to see a little cheesiness and. Hold on. Let me know. That grill flavor and that cheesy flavor. Oh my goodness. Y'all know what I'm gonna do? You like this red hot? Hot sauce, Raymond?
Is that what's in the thing?
I'm gonna put some red hots on it. Oh, I don't know. That's the red hot Frank's. We got some Frank's hot sauce on it, y'all. Right. Vanya, I keep saying Vanya. Vonda suggested this, y'all. And I'm glad she did. Because I was gonna go for the catfish that Raymond got. But I can always come back for the catfish. Raymond's leaving. Big up respect, y'all, to the drone king, urban drone king right here. He does drone piloting. If you need a drone pilot, he's the man. Just hit me up, I'll reach out to him.
Right now they're about to call me the catfish killer.
He said they're gonna call him the catfish killer. Right now, first of all, it's all delicious. I got the omelet, I got the salmon omelet with these like country fried potatoes. I was gonna go live, but I'm glad I didn't. Because I want y'all to be able to see this crystal clear. Look at that. I'm digging in. Y'all ever see me eat with a knife? I was gonna take it to go and eat it in the car. I was like, nah, we eating here, man. All right. There's salt on the table, but there's no pepper. I guess the hot sauce will work for my pepper. I'm gonna need a water. I like the flavors, right? That's coming from the potatoes and the onions and the tomatoes. Look inside here, y'all. Look at all of that inside of that omelet, man. Look at that. I believe it's spinach. And I see the tomatoes, man, and the onions and the peppers. And don't forget the cheese. Can y'all see the cheese right there? Look at the cheese, man. Look at the cheese. Oh, I gotta turn it that way. See the cheese? Sprinkle that cheese on there, man. That's spinach. I'm like, I keep pushing the egg up and digging inside the omelet because the omelet filling is so delicious. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you're hanging with the wrong people. I love all of you cats, man. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking. Thanks for ringing the bell. Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling, so you can be notified when we go live and when we post new content. I'm here at Vonda's Kitchen, y'all. Soul Food Kitchen. Come check it out if you're ever in Newark. If not, we'll see you at the next one. Peace. salmon right there. See that salmon?
Tell me now, tell me something. 'Cause I don't know how this gonna